Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new Instagram account. For this, go to your Instagram app, then click on create new. After that, give your mobile number here. Then what you have to do is give your password. The password should contain at least 6 letters or number. Then click on next. After that, you can save your info in your Google Password Manager, or you can skip it. Then give your date of birth here. Set month, date and the year. Then confirm your birthday. After that, give your full name. Next, now choose your username, then confirm terms and condition agreement. Add your profile picture or you can skip it. As you can see, our Instagram account is created already. Now click on next. You can allow your access to your contact or you can skip it. You can skip this option also. You can turn on notification or also turn off. Now click next. Add your email option here, and here is your new Instagram account. So that's guys, if this will help you, please don't forget to give it a like, and thanks for watching.